You guys know how to check it. Battery positive wire there, battery negative wire is there, and from this point to this point you make a switch, you short it together, it will be work if it is okay. Otherwise, if something is problem, is stucking, is coming only out, it's been this, your only Bandex is good and their starter is wrong something. I'll show you how it is wrong. I have some bad condition starter, starter also. You can see is bad condition. Is almost carbon brush is finished. If carbon brush is finished, you know what will happen? If carbon brush is finished, what will happen? Happening this thing in your starter. You saw it's a burst. It's totally is damaged. I zoom, focus it. You see, it's finished. It's damaged, completely damaged. Now this one is going to junk. See, because of carbon brush finished. Still is this one is safe. Before preventive maintenance, we removed this one and we saw that carbon brush almost finished. It's very easy to replace this carbon brush. It's around in UAE it won 15 dirham, or in maybe USA or another countries $1, above $2, $3 approximately is come, and easy to install and save your motor starter. Live happy, be happy, peace.